Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we are diving into my test tube beauty subscription box. This box is for the spring 2024 season and it is a quarterly beauty subscription. This is mostly a skincare box. I would say if you were to divide it out, it's about 75% skincare, 25% makeup. They will occasionally send you other things like hair care or even like hair accessories, brushes, things like that too. But usually it is a very skincare heavy box. So this box I do highly recommend. It's in my top 3 boxes for skincare. So if you are looking for one, this is usually where I will direct you towards, is this box and a couple others. But this box for spring is unusually heavy. So either it's packed really full with a lot of boxes, or these are really heavy items with a lot of volume. If you're interested in purchasing this subscription box, I will be posting a link down below for you guys. This is a referral link that I have, and it works best on a desktop computer. When you click the link, a pop-up will appear right afterwards, and it will say something like Sydney's referring you or sending you this coupon or gift or something like that. And then it will generate a code, and it will be a mixture of letters and numbers. It's always a random code. You can then take that code and apply it towards your order and save some money off of your first box. But it doesn't always work on a phone. So my advice is, if you want to use my referral link and save some money, do it from a desktop and make sure you allow pop-ups, because that's what will happen, is a pop-up will appear. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. Let's see what we've got. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how much is in here. Okay, my first thought was, yes, this looks heavy. Like, these are large containers. But honestly, for $59, I feel like this is going to be a steal this season. Included with your subscription box, you will receive the newest magazine from New Beauty. New Beauty is the one that creates this test tube subscription, and they include the seasonal magazine every single quarter as well. So this is part of your subscription. This is the first item in your box. These magazines are always insightful because they do full reviews on beauty and makeup. They will have one coming up in April or May, and it's going to be their best of beauty winners. That is my favorite season, because we usually will get boxes that has all of the best of items in it, and they're just tried and true. They'll send the magazine explaining why they won, and usually those are the best products in my opinion. First item we're starting with is this very large container. Love the color. I'm definitely getting spring vibes. This is called Salt Air, and it is their invigorating serum body wash. The scent is Island Orchid on this body wash. It says it will refresh your skin, but also give you hydration at the same time. It will cleanse your skin without stripping it. It has white orchid, red algae, and guava inside of this to give you nourished skin. So this is an all tin container. It honestly reminds me of like a drinking canister that you would take with you hiking, you know? The size is 17 ounces or 500 ml on this bottle. So full size product here. I love that we're getting such a large product already. Now, if you wanted to purchase this, it comes in at $12 for it. Oh, and you know what? It actually comes with a pump. I just saw this inside of the box, and I'm pretty sure it would go to this. I mean, it's the same color. I'm pretty sure the pump goes to this product. So I do like that you could actually just stick this in your shower then and just pump it out. Pump it up. Next product inside of our spring box is going to be from Diana's. This is the Goat Milk Whipped Body Scrub. It's 6 ounces, full-size product. The scent is milk and honey. It is a cruelty-free product that's made here in the US. A gentle, hard-working whipped body scrub that will help to get rid of any dry, flaky skins that you have, leaving your skin soft and smooth afterwards. This could vary from box to box in terms of scent. Everyone will receive this product in the same size, and it's still going to do the same thing, which is to exfoliate, but they have different scents listed on the website, so you could get, there's a verbena and cream one, there's also a lavender blossom, or like I said, I have milk and honey here. So the fragrance will be the only only thing that will change, but the retail value on this is $15. I also have a product from Image Skincare. This is their Dew Brightening Serum. So it's 1 ounce or 30 ml, and it says that it's clean clinical skincare. I feel like based off of the packaging, maybe this is a plant-based product, but let me look here for sure. It says it's physician formulated and it is cruelty-free. They actually donate 1% back to the planet as well. A hydrating hybrid oil and serum combination that will target uneven toned skin. It will give you a dewy, lit from within glow. Oh, I like that. Yes, plant extracts. Okay, so it has niacinamide in here. It's got tiger grass and other plant extracts as well that will help to give you this dewy look. So that is why this is a clean skincare product, is that it's all plant-based. It's cruelty-free. It's vegan. Love all of that. So I've not used, I don't think I've tried anything from this brand before, but I do love clean skincare. So I am 100% going to try this. We'll see if it gives me the dewy brightening glow that it says. Holy bananas. This is $69. Shut up. So this, oh my gosh, you guys, this just paid for the entire box. If you buy this box seasonally every quarter, it's $59 for everything in here, and this is $69. So already, I bought basically this product, and everything else is free. I love when that happens, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, if somebody came up to me and said, hey, I will let you buy one product and you're going to get 10 other ones for free with it, why wouldn't you take that deal? Next item inside of the box will be a hair care product. This is Davines? I don't know if I'm ever pronouncing this correctly. Is it Davines? Anyways, this is their all-in-one milk product. It is a leave-in treatment conditioner, so it's going to give you hydration back to your hair to reduce split ends and to make it softer, reduce frizz. This one retails for $40 if you are going to purchase it. And this is why I love the subscription box. You always get full-size products, and it's such a great deal. We did get a little bit of makeup in here. I told you we get a little bit. This is the eyeliner, and it is a waterproof gel eyeliner from Make. Now, I don't know this brand at all. So it's in the shade Halo, which looks like it's kind of a light brown color, maybe? So let me look at it here. It says that it's made in South Korea, so it's a K-beauty item. Smudge-proof, waterproof gel eyeliner that will amplify and define your area. It does come with a sharpener and a blending brush as well with this. I love it when that happens. You know what I mean? When you get all of it built into one, it's so much more convenient. And then you don't have to worry about being away from home and not having a sharpener with you. You've just got it with you already. So I love that. This is what it looks like, and here is our color. On this end, we've got our smudge brush. So it's just going to be a feathered paddle brush. And then you pull off the next end, and you've got the sharpener that's built in here. And then this will be the product on the other end. There we go. This will be your eyeliner down here. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Is it just me, or is there a shimmer in there? Let's see, I'm going to twist this up a little bit. I feel like there is a touch of shimmer inside of this. That is really pretty. So usually, I mean, you guys know I love black eyeliner. That's usually what I stick with, but I do like this color a lot. So this eyeliner comes in at $23 for it if you guys wanted to purchase it. Seems about the same price as most eyeliners these days, so I do think that's reasonable. Next product that I have has beautiful packaging. I love this color story here. Like, I want an eyeshadow like this. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be beautiful? So this is from Masktini, and it is their Whenever Moisture Spray. So full-size product once again. And this spray is supposed to be a pick-me-up, but it's also going to give hydration to your skin. And it says that it's made all here in the US. There is going to be citrus peel inside of this, mandarin, grapefruit, orange, watermelon, apple. I love this. It smells like it sounds like it's going to be a fruity blend. So we're going to spritz it. I want to see what this is like, but it says it will give you a glowiness and it will be lightweight, even moisture. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I'm in love with these colors. But let's go ahead and spritz it and see here. Okay, wow. So I will say, as far as the spritz goes, it is not an ultra fine mist. There were like really big water droplets coming off, so much so that I could hear them over here landing on the box. I do like, it's a very long throw. So, I mean, I spritzed here and it's way over here. Like, it's 3 feet. That's how long it is. But it's not a fine mist. I don't know, though, if I would use this over makeup because it's going to leave those water droplets. I think this would be great if you are doing a very light makeup day, and that way you wouldn't have to worry about it running or anything. But I don't know. I wish it was more of a fine mist and not such large droplets. Now, scent-wise, it smells very refreshing. I'm definitely getting all the fruits in there, so it smells like a very summer spritz. It needs a better mister. Do you know what I mean? Like, it needs a mist that you can, like, walk into, not something that feels like raindrops hitting. You know what? I'm going to do one more just to be fair, because maybe it was still working its way up. God, no, it did it again. Yeah, this is just... It almost comes out like when I watch it, it looks like a stream that then widens. So yeah, I don't know, you guys. This is one that I probably will not use when I have full makeup on. I think it smells nice. I love the packaging, but the spritz on this is just not great. So this one retails for $65. What? This is 50 mil. Why is this 60? Okay, I also feel like that's overpriced. I don't know what's in here that's making it worth that price tag, but at the very least, I feel like we should have a better mist on this and not such a heavy water droplet process. But $65 seems really high. Just so you don't think I'm making this up, here's my water droplets. This is all from that. Do you see it on the paper here? Because now it's literally all over my box. I've got it everywhere from spritzing. But do you see how large these are? Now imagine that's landing on your face when you've got makeup. It's gonna make you splotchy. So after that thorough review, let's go on to our next item, which is from Lalicious. This is the Velour Body Melt Sugar Kiss. It's 8 ounces. And this one is cruelty-free, sulfate-free. It is a gel to oil formula that has vitamin E inside of it that will give you velvety, luxurious skin after use. So they recommend that you put this on after you've shaved or after you've cleansed in the shower. Put this on and it's going to be a very soft, hydrating, whipped formula. I love the idea of this. Now, the first ingredient in here is coconut oil. So just in case if you have any sensitivities with that, it's probably going to be a heavy coconut scent. I do feel like coconut oil, though, is very hydrating and it does make your skin super soft. I use it on my dog even sometimes. Like right on her paws, it'll get really dry and it cleans up so well whenever I use coconut oil. Now, don't put this on your dog, but I'm just saying it's a great ingredient. So 8 ounces, full-size product that we have here. If you were going to purchase this one, it comes in at $39 for this. I also have a box of sheet masks in here. These are Radiance masks, and they will brighten and repair your skin when using them. We have 5 masks, and the brand name is Kibon or Kibon? Kibon. I think it's Kibon. So... You get 5 sheet masks in here that are going to make you more radiating. That's the point. Wow, this set of 5 retails for $55 if you wanted to buy this box of masks. We're up to product number 9 in this box, you guys. So our 9th product is a full-size product, and it is a skincare cream designed for your neck area. So this one is 50 ml or 1.7 ounces. It's from the brand Pry. And this cream is designed to tighten up that neck area, especially where it's really thin. You know how your skin gets a little bit more thin there? I've even noticed this just in the last couple of years that it just starts to get jowls and a little bit saggy. And so I'm using more contour than ever now to create this shadow, just because it does. Like this starts to... I don't know. It just happens. Maybe it's genetics. It could be, but this is supposed to help to tighten that area back up. When using products like these, you want to put them on in an upward motion. So what I will do is I have a cream similar to this and you'll put it on and you're going to just kind of like push up and then work like this underneath of your neck. So you're gonna be rubbing all of that into your skin, but kind of pushing it upwards, and then it will tighten it in that same motion. So I do feel like these can be effective, but you do need to stay on top of it. This is a really great skincare brand, so I would imagine this is gonna do really well. I would think it's gonna have great results as long as you're consistent, as long as you're putting this on every single day. So this comes in at $35 if you wanted to purchase this exact same size. Next item is a lip product, and it's called Poppy and Pout. I love their name. That is so cute. So this is a lip balm, and we have a coconut scent here. So this is just the packaging on it. I love it. It's so cute. I'm jealous, you guys. This is a full-size lip balm at 8.5 grams. It's 100% natural. They do use coconut oil as their first ingredient, followed by beeswax. It's all cruelty-free. And then it says best by 8 of 26, so you have plenty of time to use this lip balm. Now, their lip balm is just a clear lip balm inside, but it's got the coconut scent, and it retails for $9.95. So my last item that I have inside of my box, I don't know if it's supposed to be here. So those were 10 items, and I can find all of them listed on the website, but I have another item in my box, which is item number 11, and I cannot find this listed anywhere on the website or even in their photos. So I'm not sure why I have this product, but I don't want to confuse you guys if you decide to order this. My hunch is that if you order this box, you will not receive this product. I'm still going to show it to you, but just don't count on this one. So it's from Image Skincare. It is a mineral moisturizer that also has SPF 75 inside of it. This seems like a sample product. So I don't know if they were throwing these in there as like a free sample with your order. I don't know if they still have them. Maybe it was just for a select amount. I don't really know. I have no context for this at all. I'm sorry I can't be more helpful on this one, but I think it's nice that we could try out this sunscreen, and I appreciate the extra gift, but I don't think it was supposed to be in there. So that is everything inside of my test tube spring 2024 box, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am so impressed because we have 10 items in here and they're all full-size items. Now, I spent $59 on this quarterly box, but let me tell you, that means that each item is gonna need to be $5.90 a piece just to make my money back. If you came up to me and offered me any of these products at $5.90 a piece, I would buy all of them. Because seriously, I think they're all worth that. Even the lip balm, I charge $5 for my lip balms. So at $5.90, I'm like, this is 100% worth it. So I am so excited. I 100% recommend this box, you guys. I encourage you to look into it because I definitely think the value is there this season. The mist, I don't love the nozzle on it. I still think this box is worth it overall, and I'm still gonna use all of these products as well. So yeah, I am blown away. This is a holy bananas box, you guys. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think of the spring box, but I'm so pleased with this. I couldn't be any happier. Like, this is what you want in a beauty box. You want full-size products, you want excellent brand names, and you want a deal. And I feel like we have all three of those in this box. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, guys!